To slow the spread of the coronavirus, we know frequent hand washing and disinfecting items we often handle, like doorknobs, cell phones, and faucets, offer protections. These are the easy things to do. Other measures require some personal sacrifices and recognizing how our own behavior could endanger the lives of people we care about. I'm talking about the need for social distancing and self-quarantining. Folks, the simple fact is, if we do not voluntarily comply with these measures, we may have no choice but to move to even stricter quarantines and curfews. That's what you're seeing in Italy and in Spain, as well as here in the United States in places like California, Kansas, and New York. Accepting personal responsibility is the key. Parents must take responsibility for their children, and young people must understand that they are not invincible and in fact could be carriers of the virus and infect people around them. While the virus is greater risk to the elderly and people with underlying health conditions, new data from the CDC shows that nearly 40% of patients who are sick enough to be hospitalized were ages 20 to 54. Imagine how you would feel if you knew you were the reason someone you love got sick or even died. If there ever was a time for each of us to behave responsibly to protect the welfare of others, it is now. Please allow plenty of space between you and other people. And if you've been exposed or are feeling sick, stay home before it's too late. We can live with the inconvenience now, so we don't have to live with regrets later. Virginia Beach was recently named the #1 most caring city in the country. Let's show everyone what this means and do what it takes to protect each other from this threat. For more information, please visit emergency.vbgov.com.